Hello everyone, I'm Shruti. Welcome back to Anon Talks. Let's talk about something as we all do. We imagine a life, a version of us that feels lighter, stronger, and more alive. But most of the time, we push that imagination away. We tell ourselves it's too big, too far, and not practical right now. But here's what I want you to sit with today: that life you keep imagining about, the life you are dreaming about. You are capable of building it. Not suddenly, but step by step, starting and trying now. Let's discuss what stops us from doing it and what to do instead. First of all, let's talk about why we doubt ourselves. We are all taught to be realistic before we are taught to be brave and confident enough. However, dreaming big got labeled as unreal or risky. So we shrink our goals to fit in what feels comfortable and safe. We settle for a version of life that we never truly wanted. But that doesn't scare us, nor does it excite us. Discomfort is not dangerous. Discomfort is what just growth feels like before it becomes familiar. Now, let's learn what capability actually means. Capability isn't about learning everything or having all the skills. It's about being willing to learn them, being confident enough in yourself. Nobody starts out knowing everything. They start out clueless and a little scared, taking small steps anyway. Small steps repeated with patience. Uddharet atmanatmanam na atmanam avasadhet, which means one should uplift oneself by one's own effort and should never allow oneself to fall or being discouraged. Being an 11th grade student myself, chasing dreams and aiming for the life I want every single day comes up with challenges and a new learning. But believing in myself keeps me going. Trying every day takes me one step closer to the life I can't stop thinking about. No doubt will show up, fear will show up, but that doesn't mean stop. That means you are doing something that matters to you. So now let's take an example of one and only Shri Krishna and Arjun. Arjun says, Madhav, my mind is filled with doubts, but I have a dream in my heart, but I fear that I may not be capable of achieving it. What if I fall? Shri Krishna replies to it, Arjun, why do you doubt yourself? The greatest battle is not fought on the battlefield. It is fought within your own mind when you believe in your ability and take the right action. You are already on the path to victory. Arjun says, what if the result is not what I desire? Then Shri Krishna says, then do not let the fear of the result stop you from doing your duty. Remember, Karmanye karaste na faleshu kadachana. Before I close, one more thing. You don't need permission to want more for your life. You don't need to have it all figured out before you begin. You just need to show up and start. You will find a way once you take the first step. You are not behind. You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be to begin. So here's my take for today. Achieve that life you can't stop thinking about, and take one step this week, just one, because you are capable, not someday, right now. Thank you.